Hello everyone. Today I am going to describe a colorful and lively park scene. In the background, I can see a bright blue sky with fluffy white clouds. There are big green trees and bushy plants everywhere. On the left side, there is a small shop with a red and yellow roof. A woman is standing outside the shop holding a flower pot. There is also a red bicycle kept near the shop. In the center, a boy is flying a red kite. He looks very happy. Near him, another boy is sitting on a bench and blowing bubbles. A small brown dog is walking on the path. It looks cute. A girl in a pink t-shirt is sitting on the ground and reading a book. Another little girl is walking happily on the path. On the right side, a woman is watering the flowers with a green watering can. Beside her, a man is taking pictures with his camera. This scene shows a happy and active day in the park where everyone is enjoying different activities.